Hello, Beshie. This is my makeup kit. We have brush, powder for face, and comb for hair, and this one for lips. Now we have to start. Now we can use this for putting in here and put our lips. First, we put it down. Now we put up. Now we have our bracelets to put in our hand. I still have many kinds. See? Now we can use some of them. First, we use this. And you can remove your clip and put another clip in. See? Now we try another. Now we can try another bracelet. We can put this in another hand and remove this. And we still have this beautiful necklace. See? Now we try another. Maybe we should try, let me see, this clip. See? Now, how about we should try together? First, we put this in our neck and put. You can choose one or two together. 1, 2, and you can choose a clip. Maybe choose this clip. You put in your hair. See? Nice. I have this one. This is a little crown that you put up here. Let me try. See? But it's easy to fall because we need to tie our hair first. We have one this for tying your hair. Now we can do it again. And then we can wear this crown. Top. See? Nice now. We can use this powder for again because this will make our face nice and white. Now we try one more time. First, put the powder in your hand again. then use this brush. Put in our face. We can make up like everything, just like that, everything like that is okay. But of course, another kind is better because can see looks like lots of animals, lots of people like that. If you have some left this time, you can put in your body. Now we can remove one piece or two pieces also can. Now we can make our face like animals. See? If not enough, we should use this again. Now we'll have lots of fun. See? Now we can use here. Oh, see? Lots of white. Put here. Make your face nice. If you don't want it, you just brush it and can see. If you want to become another animal, you just use some powder to make some. Maybe you want to be a tiger. Then you should put the powder. You know that, right? Put it in your hand. And use the brush. Can make lots of increase. After the makeup, this is your final look. Your ears looks like we have earrings, you see? See? Very nice, right? If you like this video, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.